Oh my God! Sobrang bigat. It's so heavy. Guys, I'm gonna show you the latest PlayStation. This is PS5. So, binili ko po to sa Ximending. Anong pangalan ng building? Wan Yen. Yeah, okay. So, this is worth 17K. Tapos, kasama na yung yan, may ganito na siya. Vertical stand. Kasama yung vertical stand. Tapos, meron ding game. Yan. Ang game is 1,200 and this is how much? 980. Pero, yung nabayaran lahat-lahat is mga 17K kasi meron silang parang promotion hanggang next week lang. So, that's why, if you want to buy, hurry para meron pang discount. Ang problema ngayon, paano ko to tatanggalin sa bag? Kasi sobrang bigat kasi. Yan. Wow. PlayStation. Play like never before. Okay. So, yan. First, where to open here? Let's open from here. Yan. Ta-da! And what's inside, agad-agad, is the cable. So, meron siyang parang dito, lagayan. And this must be very important. Yan. So, kasama niyan sa cable. Kaya huwag niyong itapon. Baka mamaya matapon po niyo. Yan. So, next step. Yan, open natin dito. Meron naman siya ulit ditong pocket. Here, ayan, your cables again. This is for the HDMI. And of course, this one is Type-C. And Type-C. This is to connect your controllers. And here's your beautiful PlayStation remote control. Mabigat. It's heavy. Wow, nice colors. Okay. Ready for boxing. Okay. So, done. We're done with the next layer. So, let's go to the next one. Here, pull out. And I think this is it. Yan. Yan, we'll take it out. Sobrang bigat niya talaga. As in, grabe. Super heavy. Oh my God. So, kasama ng box, here, there's a manual. So, my English. Yan. You have to read the manual. And then, let's get the safety packaging. Closer. It's empty. And let's open it. Ta-da! Oh, new PlayStation 5. Yung game pala is for 18 years old up. It's Final Fantasy. Yeah. Wow. Here, guys. My God. Look at that. Parang CPU. It looks like a CPU. Ayan. So, yan. Ito yung sa cable. And then, for the connectors here, there's LAN. And this one is for the, I think it's for HDMI, yeah. The one I showed you kanina. And then, of course, here's for our game. And then, here, the Type-C. And then, power on. Yeah. That's it. our PlayStation 5, and our remote is over there. Here. Happy gaming!